Hi, I'm Richard Knight, author of Mime The Gap. Today we're looking at the mime wall. The mime wall is quite simple. All you have to remember is relax, tense, relax, tense, relax, tense. That's the simplicity of it. Notice that every time I take my hand off, I take it back. If I relax back. Tension shows a quality of resistance. When you take it off, go back and relax. Go forward and tense. Back and relax. Make sure that your hand, when it goes tense, isn't on an angle to help you push the palm forward. That will make it easier. Also, make sure that one hand's not forward than the other.
Try the wall on your sides, in front of you, and behind. Play around.
Practice makes perfect. It's that simple.
Let's see the wall put into a scene.
So in that little short scene, you noticed I started with the wall, but then it went on to something else. It became more of a kind of a beatbox rap song. Again, it's the story that's more interesting than the technique. Once we get the idea it's a wall, you have to play. You gotta play. And then you have to be creative with that. And then we get the story. Once you get the story, you're set. It's far better to have okay to bad technique and tell a brilliant story than have perfect technique and bore people with virtually no story. If you're interested in more, I'll leave a link to my book below. Please hit and like that subscribe button. It just helps me to make more videos. In the meantime, I hope to see you in the next video.